Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on this hairstyle right here. So this is the wet look, and this video is sponsored by Aveda. I absolutely love Aveda products, and I probably couldn't have done this look without their products. Like, they're amazing. Yeah, so I love the wet look. I think it is so chic, and it's super easy to achieve. Like, people don't realize how easy it is. It's so easy, and I love pairing the wet look with some hoops or some like statement earrings. So if you guys want to see how to get the wet look, then keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with wet hair, and I'm gonna apply my Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair by Aveda. So this is a multitasking formula, which is so cool. So it's a detangler, a leave-in treatment. It also is a prep for your style, and it's a heat protectant for up to 450 degrees. I also love that it's 97% naturally derived, so that means that it has a ton of amazing natural ingredients in it. Now I'm applying Aveda's Texture Tonic, so I'm just applying this to my wet hair, and this will give my hair just some nice loose waves. Now I'm kind of slicking my hair back. I'm just brushing it back. So now I'm applying Aveda's Flaxseed Aloe Stronghold Sculpturing Gel, and this just offers maximum control for sculpting and molding damp hair, which is perfect for this hairstyle. And now I'm just going to spray on some Aveda Control Force Firm Hold Hairspray. This stuff is amazing, and it doesn't leave any crunchy feeling at all. It's so nice, and that is the look. So that is it for the tutorial on the wet look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and please check out Aveda. You guys can purchase some of the products I used today. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you later.